Ditlhatlobo tsa bona di tletse ka monyebo le boitumelo fela. Bana ba ba iponetse dipholo tse dintle mo go maswe.
I am elated. I think this will aid me in the future and will be an indication for other students in my situation that really you can have as many distinctions as you want.
I am very excited. I'm ecstatic. I don't even know what to do. I'm still shaking. I woke up yesterday to the message and I was like, is it a dream? I am very, very excited about the results.
As soon as I got the message, I was so glad that I made my mom proud. I have 3 older sisters. They all got 8 distinctions each as well.
I found the exams really challenging. But at the end of the day, yeah, I was hoping for 10 distinctions and I'm really happy to achieve that.
Go Barutwana yo matlhotlhapelo a kwa gabo ga ka mokgoreletsa go ka fitlhella toro ya gagwe ya go falola matriki.
My background is tough. So what happened is my mother committed suicide, and then the first person I felt was one of my friends, and he was in this school. And then his mother adopted me, and I lived with them for my entire grade 8 year, and then I was inserted into Almakari. So I would ask them for funding so that I can just get on my feet properly.
Intense involvement with every kid from grade 8 and making sure that one really understands that kid.
The dedication of the staff combined with a real sort of nurturing of the individual, and I think the staff buy into that ethos. And we've done it for 90 years.
Monastilo wa IEB N Oberholzer are kgwetlho e kgolo ke kgaogo ya motlakase.
Although the load shedding has also interfered quite dramatically, particularly with at the study period, with children's study programs being interrupted because they might not have lights.
Dipholo di golotswe bosigo gare. IEB iponetse dipersente di le robongwe le robedi mo dingwageng di feta di le 3. Khabagare sekolo sa secondary sa Maseala kwa motsesetoropong wa lehae la batho gaufi le Polokwane kwa Limpopo se iponetse dipersente di le 100 le kgetlo la bobedi.
Hard work put in by the teachers and mostly the hard work put in by the parents. That's what we have kept on doing. The parents have been bringing the learners and collecting them at 9 in the evening. That takes a lot of hard work.
Barutwana yo ga isitseng go falotse ka dinaledi di le 5.
It was mainly about trusting my teachers, but then not entirely, since they won't always be there to assist me in the problems that I'll be having by then, but then to seek other resources.
Batsadi le bona ba ntse le seabe se segolo go katlego ya bana.
At the time when he arrived at Maseala, within a week, within a month, they told me that this guy is better than even his brother. I say, I can see. I discovered this from her primary level. I mean, his primary level.
Barutwana ba le 32 ba ba le 71 ba iponetse ditlhokego tsa go ka ithutela garata kwa yunibesiting.